Next up, the Beach Villa main bedroom key. This one is super expensive, but there's pretty good loot in it. You'll need to head across to the valley map, all the way down to the far south here by Beach Villa, and you need to head into this main building over here. Let's get there. Just a quick note that this place is super angry. There's tons of bots, sometimes a boss, and usually lots and lots of players, especially if you're playing on lockdown or harder game modes. Be aware of rats too. When we approach the main building here, you'll need to find your way upstairs and into this building. Inside of this main room here, right in the center, you have this door over here. Opening this up, you'll usually find some fantastic loot, but it's not really worthwhile coming here unless you're on lockdown. You have an electronic safe over here and a weapons kit around the back, as well as a suit hanging on the wall here. There's usually also a little bit of loose loot that you can find on the table and in surrounding areas worth usually quite a bit. In my case, I get nothing crazy, a gold cup, fantastic, and in the safe, hopefully something good, some okay loot. Oh, okay, well, some really good loot. Now, all that we need to do is find our way safely out of here. Usually easier said than done. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.